Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy Greek layered yogurt. We're going to put some berries, some walnuts, and some honey. So simple. I was basically brought up on this for breakfast. This was my staple growing up, and I always remember feeling so good. And it has a tad bit of sweetness in there, so you kind of feel like you're having something that isn't so good for you, but really it is. The honey is the only sweetener, and for the most part, honey is okay to use in minimal amounts. So we're going to start with a Greek yogurt. Fai is one of my favorite brands. It's one of the first to come out in Greece. A lot of people pronounce it Faji, but it's actually pronounced Fai. What that means is food in Greek. Now we're going to add some berries on top. What I've done here is these berries are actually frozen, but they're organic. And many times when you can't find organic berries, just buy the frozen and let them defrost in the refrigerator. Just put a cup underneath them because sometimes they leak. And you have organic berries at a fraction of the cost. Okay, so I've added the berries. Now I'm going to create another layer on top to make it look like a parfait almost. I'm going to add some walnuts. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fats are important fats to get in your diet. They help with inflammation. Omega-3 fatty acids are called anti-inflammatory fats. And here we have some honey. Just a tad bit on top. That's probably about a teaspoon, okay? And there's the parfait. Enjoy this Greek layered yogurt with berries, walnuts, and a tiny bit of honey to make it sweet. My name is Stella Metsovas. Enjoy.